Welcome back to another episode of the Scran Line. I'm Nick McCreadies, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make classic vanilla creme brulee. This is basically a custard with a thin, crispy layer of toffee on top. Really easy to make, and it's only got a few ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Begin by adding some milk to a large saucepan along with some evaporated milk, which is kind of like a canned milk that you can find at your supermarket. Add some salt and a vanilla bean. So today we're going to be using a full vanilla bean. What you want to do with these is you want to slice them in half down the center and then use the sharp end of a knife to scrape out the seeds. The seeds are what have all of that delicious vanilla flavor. Alternatively, you can use vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract. Add that to the saucepan, and then on medium heat, a very gentle heat, guys, you want to stir this until it just comes to a gentle boil. As soon as you see little bubbles appearing, take it off the heat. To a large mixing bowl, you're going to add your egg yolks, sugar, and you're going to whisk this until everything is well combined. You're not looking to aerate this, you just want to combine everything. Slowly add that slightly cooled milk mixture to the egg mixture, and again whisk, not aerating, just until everything is well combined. It's important, guys, that you make sure that milk is cooled, otherwise if it's piping hot straight out of the pot, it's going to cook your egg yolks. So let it cool for about 10 minutes. I found the easiest way to transfer this mixture into your ramekins is by adding it to a jug, or you can just add it to a measuring cup. Now we're going to be adding our 4 ramekins into a deep baking dish. These ramekins hold about a cup of mixture each. Distribute that egg mixture evenly amongst the ramekins, and then if it's not quite even enough like mine, just use a spoon to transfer mixture over to the one that needs more. Then you're going to add some boiling water, filling it about a quarter of the way. This is going to go in the oven on 160 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Once it's baked, let it cool completely. I let mine chill in the fridge because I really like these nice and chilled, but you can have them room temperature as well. What you want to finish off these with is some caster sugar. I found, in my experience, the best sugar to use is caster sugar, otherwise known as superfine sugar. You can use regular granulated sugar. You just need to go a little bit slower when you brulee these. Speaking of brulee, okay, so lots of people say you can do this in the oven. I've tried it and not done it successfully, so I would use a kitchen torch. I know not everyone has these, but this is how you're going to get the best results with the toffee on top. And the key here, guys, is to go nice and slow so that you don't burn the toffee. You're looking for a dark, golden, bubbly look. Let that toffee set for a couple minutes, and guys, dig in. That crunch, that first crisp sound is the best part of this dessert. I mean, the flavor's pretty good too. If you want to grab the recipe, it's on my website, scranline.com. A link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for watching. Before we head off today, I wanted to give you a quick preview of my latest recipe on my other channel, the Scran Line Every Day. This week, I am teaching you guys how to make gozlen. It's a Turkish flatbread which is stuffed with spinach and cheese. And guys, it is so good, so easy to make, and it's a great lunch option. Give this recipe a go, you won't regret it. All of my recipes live on the same website, scranline.com, so go over there and check them out. There's loads of recipes waiting for you to try. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.